Hello guys, how are you? This is Leslie. Welcome to another of my videos. So today I'm gonna be showing you my daily makeup routine, and this is literally like straight up what I do every day while I'm getting ready, and yeah, like my daily makeup. Usually I don't apply eyeshadows. I don't do very strong makeup for my daily routines like in my life, but yeah, I go very simple. So I wanted to show you this routine, and I hope that you really like it. So if you do so, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget that you can do so by clicking the button down below. And without further ado, let's jump into the video. Okay, this is gonna be like a very real makeup routine. These steps are literally what I do every day for my makeup. And like right now I have like acne, like I have one here and one here, and I really don't know why I've been getting them, because I'm currently on an acne like kind of like treatment. So I'm trying to like get rid of that and of my dark spots, but I haven't been seeing results, and I haven't really like following it very well. But yeah, like I said, I've been following a treatment. So like my first step is using this like pads. I don't really know what they have, but basically like it cleans my face very well, even though like in the mornings I wash my face and then I apply like these things, and I believe they have alcohol, because I've used similar to these from the First Aid Beauty brand, and they are very similar. So probably they have like similar ingredients. They feel exactly the same, and like I said, I'm pretty sure they have alcohol. So I applied all of this, and it's supposed to clean my face. And I don't know if you can see a little bit, but it looks kind of like dark. So it like purifies my face, even though like I have already washed it beforehand, and I let it air dry a little bit. And then I was told that those pads can be like dangerous for your skin if you just go like outside in the sun like that. So that's why I apply my SPF. I just do like a tiny drop. I really like this SPF from Drunk Elephant because it doesn't leave my skin oily, and I feel like it protects my skin very well. I also make sure to let this dry for a little bit, because if you don't wait time in between your products, then your foundation can look either like cakey or it won't last that long. So it's very important to wait a little bit of time between the steps or like the products that you apply on your face. So while I wait for that, I like doing my eyebrows, and recently I've been loving this brow pencil from Benefit. This is the brow styler, and this one, like on one side it has the powder, and then on the other side it has the normal pencil that we all know from that brand. So I like using the pencil to kind of like define my eyebrows and creating like those fake hairs. And then I go back with the powder, and I kind of like twist it a little bit like this and just fill in my eyebrows, because the other step was kind of like to define the eyebrows and add those like tiny hairs, and this one is filling in any space that I have. Honestly, like this is my favorite step and like one of the most important, because I feel like eyebrows define your whole face, and like it changes everything on a makeup. So if you don't have your eyebrows or eyelashes, then like it doesn't look good. And once that's done, I can move on to my foundation. Right now I'm using the Born This Way foundation from Too Faced on the shade Golden, and I mix it with this Flesh foundation. This is a pure Flesh foundation on the shade Apple Straddle, and this one is a little bit too light, and this is I think like a little bit too dark. So I combine them to kind of like meet in the middle, and just like take a little bit of both on the back of my hand. And I take my beauty blender, mix them a little bit, and start applying it. Let me know in the comments down below how you like applying your foundation. I used to like doing it with a brush, and I don't know, I kind of like got bored of it, or like I stopped liking how it looked, so now I only apply it with a beauty blender. These both foundations, I think that they have like between a light and medium coverage, in case you guys were wondering. And then sometimes I like applying some like setting powder. I usually have the one from Too Faced, but right now I'm just gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna apply some setting spray. The setting spray that I have right here, it's from Morphe. I love it. It's one of my favorite setting sprays. I feel like the applicator, it's like so well, like the spray is not too much, because I've had like other setting sprays that kind of like just like splashes you in the face and it feels so weird. And depending on how I feel on that day, I sometimes apply some blush and some highlighter, and right now I'm gonna apply this one from Milk. This is supposed to be like a lip balm and also a blush, so I really like it. I think it's very subtle, so I apply a little bit on my cheeks, and then I kind of like just blend it with my fingers. And I'm also applying some highlighter. This is also from Milk, and this is the holographic stick. And the last step is one of the most important of my routine, which is brushing out my lashes. So I have like this small spoolie, and I just go in and brush them. Make sure they look good, and make sure like they're not like all clamped. Having lash extensions are literally like a lifesaver, and it saves me like so much time on my daily routine. And that is it for like my daily makeup. It's like so simple, and it takes me like 5 minutes or so to do this routine. And like even if I'm like running late or something, like I just do it like super fast and head out. But yeah, I hope that you really like this video. I know it's like super simple, but I really wanted to show you. And if you want me to do like more in detail on how I do my eyebrows, like from like waxing them and having the shape that I have, let me know in the comments down below, and I will be more than happy to show it. But thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye guys.